Don't video me. Are you serious?
Oh, he's almost coming. He's almost coming.
It was awesome.
What's up, America? It's Friday, and we are gonna crush this Buick LeSabre. Happy Friday, folks. Today, we are going to crush this 98 Buick LeSabre. You gotta stay tuned, because it's gonna be a lot of fun. Obviously, we're going to be crushing this today. There's not going to be a piece of this left. You know, my grandma has one of these. I was going to grab some parts off of it, but first off though, we need to paint this thing up. Make it a little bit more exciting. Billy Luber's not here. We're just gonna stencil things up before these guys come in and smash it. It's looking pretty decent, isn't it?
We're about to smash some cars. What we have here is the old trusty Brodozer, one of the best trucks in the fleet ever. Probably one of my personal favorites, right behind the Camino. Versus, a cherry 1951 Bugatti. These two are about to face off. Who do you think's gonna win? But cast your votes now. All right, so maybe you remember back in the day, we did a truck for a company called Warrior Rising. We built the Vetrepreneur truck and we auctioned it off and made us some money. Well, the whole idea behind Warrior Rising is all the Vetrepreneurs, all these vets get out of the military and they want to start their own business and become entrepreneurs. Warrior Rising helps them get on their feet, gives them the skills that they need, helps them get the products that they need, and helps them succeed in that field, whatever they're chasing. And bada bing, bada boom, they're off on their own, flying high and making lots of money with their business. And what we saw personally was the top company idea, the top Vetrepreneur, got $150,000. Caleb and I watched it with our own eyes. Warrior Rising handed them a $150,000 check. All the runner-ups, like 8 other people, got $25,000. Even insane amount of money. The company's doing good things, helping guys get on their feet and start their companies. And one of the items that was auctioned off in order to make money for that to happen was this experience right here. Oh, Brodozer versus Bugatti. Who do you got? You want to see it? Let's smash Bugatti.
We want to thank today's sponsor, Huckberry. Huckberry, if you don't know them, are the one-stop shop for men's fashion, adventurous, very durable, great quality clothing. You can go there and you can find anything you want, from shirts, button-ups, hoodies, pants, wonderful shoes. Take Rob, for example. He loves adventure. He loves to work. He loves to look good. So he went to Huckberry and he got himself a great pair of shoes. You can see that he loves wearing them. He's got himself a great pair of pants. Really durable. He can work in them right now. Then he can go out on a date and he can stretch like none other in them. And he's got himself a lightweight hoodie from the Welland collection. We love Huckberry. You should too. If you want to look good while you're working, while you're adventuring, while you're doing anything, go to Huckberry. It's your one-stop shop for high-quality men's apparel. Click the link below.
You ready to go get test fitted for your seat?
Pardon?
You ready to go get test fitted for your seat? We better get you up there.
I think I'm gonna have to drink something pretty strong if I can do that. Don't video me going on. Are you serious?
Very serious.
That's not my worst word.
I'm excited to hear it.
Yes. Is this stupid or what?
What we're going to do is we're going to drive slow. I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to show you the rear steer, front steer, and we'll do a slow donut. If Grandma wants to do a fast donut, we'll do it. And then you're going to get in, you'll do a donut, and if you feel like you're ready, we'll smash the car.
All right, let's do it.
Sound good? Party time.
Smash.
Smash. Grandma loved it. She's in and she's staying in for Kevin's. I think we might sell it to her.
Well, I'm ready.
We'll give everybody a ride after.
You ready?
I'm ready. As long as you feel ready.
I'm good. Let's go.
probably the smoothest I think anybody's gone over a car. I mean, it's been a minute since we smashed car, to be honest. It feels good. My heart is pumping. My adrenaline, like the butterflies that fly around down there sometimes. But now we're gonna try and smash it from the back. No pun intended. R.I.P. R.I.P. He's pretty good, man. Only one other guy has done a donut on top of the car. That's Mr. Marshawn Lynch. So I'm glad it worked. And it was just, you know, the stars align, everyone smiles, and you say, let her eat, and it all works out. And the car, we didn't pop off the car, we didn't kill anyone. It was a fantastic day.
That was fun.
Did you let out any words? Did you let out any words?
No, I just screamed. It was awesome.
Never gets old.
Got a little bit of spin going on.
Yeah. How'd you like the high side?
Yeah, I'm feeling my sea legs right now.
Yeah, good. Then it's time to arm wrestle then.
Yeah, definitely.
As soon as you start feeling wobbly, I want to take you to the table.
I'm ready to do it.
It's the only chance I got. The top arm wrestler in the world is right inside this door, Mr. Devon Larratt. And I'm about to go shake his hand, and I'll probably challenge him. Because how many times in your life do you get to arm wrestle the world champion?
Considered one of the greatest arm wrestlers of all time. He was the 2015, 2016, and 2017 WAL Heavyweight Champion, No Limits, Devon Larratt.
First bang on the start and takes it to the top roll. Yeah, strictly quiet. So he's going for the big bang. And it's over the way. Larratt hits him hard, closes it out.
I love the feelings that it gives me. In this life, you know, you can get material wealth, you can get all sorts of things, but the real treasure, I think, is these feelings. And to me, this is a feeling I'll treasure forever.
Familiar place in this beautiful establishment.
This is where we keep the best vehicles, like the Bro Camino. This is the best one we ever did, hands down. Nothing has ever touched it. And so we sit it in the shop so everyone can just gaze upon its beauty.
First off, I'm going to offer them some crazy candy, like the s'mores. I think that's gonna really get them, get their blood sugar like all off. The biggest thing that I learned, two things. First one to do this when they say go. First one to get it. And you need to pull towards your core, Don't do this thing. If you're doing this with your friends, you're losing. Pull towards your core. Devon cheats. He like throws his whole body into it stuff. No. It's just arm wrestling, not body wrestling.
We had to race a Lamborghini.
Don't push that button or you're going 60.
This one? Okay, so this is an arm wrestling table. So these are your pads. The elbow's got to stay on the pad. And you win by making your opponent touch. Or you don't even have to touch. Any part from your wrist to your fingertips goes below this plane. That's a win. Okay? You can't lift your elbow up. Your shoulder can't cross the center of the table. That's not right, you know, and that's pretty much it. In high-level arm wrestling, there's different moves, okay? There's a hook where you both go in, not a lot of slip in here. You can press, I'll press, where the shoulder comes and you're really just pushing the guy. But a lot of arm wrestling, we call it top rolling. And in top rolling, I'm doing it right now, see how he's attacking my fingers. And in the top roll technique, that brings a lot of slips. A lot of slips happen when people start top roll. So you get in the strap. This is what normal arm wrestling looks like. At high-level arm wrestling, the grip really matters. And
hold on to that.
you guys,
Okay.
I think you guys need a strap.
All right.
Listen, I'm gonna put you in the strap. Open up your thumbs. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we'll just kind of let you guys feel each other out, okay?
All right.
And if you so decide you want me to actually start the match, then we'll do that. If we do start the match, you start from the middle of the table. You can see both of your thumb knuckles. You see how I have a tattoo there?
Yeah.
Right. So when you're taking your grip, that thumb knuckle has to be visible. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. The wrists should be straight.
Yeah, don't try to kink your wrists right now.
And the shoulders should be square. Okay. Oh, that's how you stay stable. Always look right at it. That's good. That's good. That's good. Good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. Just a little. How does that feel?
We're
This
gonna go
guy
right in the
pisses me
middle.
off.
Okay. Now listen. When I say go, you start and you try and pin. Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go!
Come on, Chris.
Oh, you're in trouble. You are in trouble. You are.
Come on. Towards your core. Don't do this thing.
Go!
Oh, yeah.
Come on, Ron. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's it. Yeah, on a roll.
Don't do this thing. If you're doing this with your friends, you're losing.
All right.
Yeah, it's weird being the short one in the group.
Go! Oh, this is a match. This is a match. This is a
No. It's just arm wrestling, not body wrestling. Okay. We're going left. Hey, we're going lefty. We're going lefty.
Whenever you want to go, I'm ready.
You want to? Oh,
Yeah, you can
I
just
was
go.
going. Perfect. I was going right now. Okay. All right. Ready, set, go. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
He's making fun of you, Caleb. Stay in there. I'm not going to pin you. You're going to quit.
No, I'm not
going to pin
quit.
you. I'm not going to pin you.
I'm going to pin you.
I'm not going to pin you.
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Jaime, get your hand in here real quick.
Right.
Oh my gosh. That is, yeah, and that's how you quit. Yeah, you know, you never invite the guests in the house and make them lose, okay?
I've done my homework before. Diesel. Yeah, I know you.
Yeah. There we go. Come on.
This is gonna be Diesel and Devon.
Now feel this how I can push. Push. Right? That's it. So when you hear, you're gonna push and rock back. Boom. This way. Up. Yes. So the whole goal is over the top, man. Over the top. Get this elbow right up the front, cover up over top of your thumb, and just straight up. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Straight up, over the top, over the top. Yes. Good. Yes. You're gonna pin me. You're gonna pin me. You are. No, you're gonna pin me. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Good. Now you see how your head kind of stayed in one place? If I pin you, okay, don't resist too much. See how my head goes all the way down. Yeah. Go ahead. There you go. Much better. Not bad, not bad.
Both hands. All right. You ready?
Oh, he's almost got me. He's almost got me.
Oh, my wing.
You almost got me.
So close. No pin. No pin.
It's really
Literally hanging.
very good. You're very good. Very good.
Very good with two hands. You're very good with two hands.
I have to go a bit more. Right there. That's good. I don't know how this is gonna work.
I don't know either. It's gonna break our hands.
Is there beating the machine? No, there's not.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
I need backup! More backup! More backup! He's incoming! I don't know, I'd say that's home court advantage. Yeah. That's some serious home court advantage. Well, that's fun, man. That's the ultimate equalizer.
Yeah.
Hey, let's get LaVon down here.
There we go.
I'm ready. Go. Right.
You want actual go?
Yeah, I want actual go.
You guys ready? Go! Ooh, this is a close match.
Come on,
there you go. Stay nice and high. Stay nice and high.
Close to it. That's it. Think about your wrist. Think about your wrist.
Bend your wrist.
Bend your wrist. That's it. That's it. That's it.
It slipped. I don't know what happened. It slipped. No, we got.
I don't know if I have it around me.
Oh man.
Popping all my blood vessels.